Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. Today I'm working on my closet. I'm going to declutter this closet because it was packed, it was ugly, it was everything. So this is the before. As you can see, all my shoes are upside down and everything. And this is the after. The closet is well organized, very pretty, easy to find my clothes, easy to find my shoes. I'm so in love with it now. And I changed my bedroom colors and everything. Everything looked perfect. Let's get to work, guys. I want to take some time to say welcome to everyone that new to my channel. Please, before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. And all my return subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support. And I'm so grateful for every single one of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep on watching. I might do something else later on in life, but as of for now, I'm using those kind of shoe rack and those hangers. I got those hangers from Amazon and they're so great. As you can see, they don't take a lot of space at all, and I like them so much. I switched from plastic hangers, hello, to this kind of hangers, and I'm glad I did. Okay, I didn't know I was damaging my shoes because I left them in boxes. It took me the entire day to clean the shoes, and boy, it's well worth it because it saved me time in long run. Now I'm done with the closet. It's so pretty. We're gonna move it on to the bedroom. So I'm gonna do a bedroom refreshing at the same time, changing the colors and everything, guys. Keep on watching.
Don't play with my heart, baby. You should have known from the start, darling. Let it fight higher and higher. Let it go. Can't deny it before the start. Let it go.
This is the finished look, guys. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it. Please watch the video till the end. Keep on watching.
Don't play with my heart, baby. You should have known from the start, darling. Let it fight higher and higher. Let it go. Can't deny it before the start. Let it go. Don't play with my heart, baby. You should have known from the start, darling. Let it fight higher and higher. Let it go. Can't deny it before the start.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!